The Delta Tau Data System 602805-105, which is an add-on macro 4-axis PCB, was sent in from one of our semiconductor customers. We tested and repaired it using our Delta Tau test system, which allows us to fully hook up and test a wide range of these boards. This board is being used to control one of our Yaskawa servo systems, and also monitor other inputs. At ERD, we have worked for years on developing test procedures for many boards, and this is a good example of one that illustrates the level of work we put into ensuring the proper operation of our customers' units. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.